Welcome to a vlog wherein we are going to try for the second time to go to the Christmas market. We got a really nice parking around the market, but the only thing is I forgot to bring my gloves. It is -8 outside. My hands are freezing. They are almost red, Raghav.
It's very cold today.
Before going to the market, we are making a quick run to nearby Dollarama to get gloves for myself because look at my hands. They are very red and I'm freezing right now. And also it is very windy today. So I'm picking up these two because something is better than nothing. We just got out of Dollarama and you know what? I see flurries or snow, whatever it is just the beginning and I think it is going to be very magical. Last week when we couldn't go to the Christmas market, honestly I was bummed and I was so looking forward to this weekend to go to the Christmas market, and if it snows today, that will be just perfect. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I have watery eyes. It is that cold today and these gloves are keeping me a little bit warm. Welcome to the magical distillery Winter Village, a cozy holiday market nestled right in the heart of Toronto. The village is always bustling with life. Small inviting cabins line the cobblestone streets, each offering something special. There are stunning backdrops perfect for those beautiful memories. Families, couples and even pets soak up the festive vibes under the warm glow of patio heaters. Oh, and Santa's village is so much fun. So let's soak in the joy, snap those Insta-worthy pics and embrace the holiday spirit. We are just waiting for somebody to help us with the photograph here.
Excuse me. No. You mind taking a picture? Do you want us to take your picture?
Oh no, my brother took.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We got our photograph. Let's straight away start with the business and have something warm because it is very cold and I see a shack which is quite busy, so that means something interesting is cooking up.
I think they are giving dumplings and I'm very hungry right now. So let's start with some dumplings because I think it's gonna be hot and yummy. So guys, this is actually Japanese taco. There were a lot of options, but we had only one option, vegetarian. It was a little sweet. I don't know how it's gonna taste like, but I'm very excited because I am trying it for the very first time. This looks interesting. I just hope it's worth the wait because we got our order almost after half an hour.
Oh my god, it's so windy. This is how it looks like. It has got strawberry, it has got seaweed and mango. It looks very crispy. As you can see, it's too windy and we are hungry. Let's sit down somewhere cozy and let's try it. I'm going to give you honest feedback. We are going to try a lot of things today, so we are going to share this one. You try first.
Seriously?
Yeah. Honest feedback, Raghav, okay? Tell us.
It's different, it's nice, it's crunchy. This entire taco thing is crunchy. After one bite, I think out of 10, I would give it 8.
I'm trying to understand it.
Now you liked it.
Now I liked it.
I'll get some spoon also. I think there's rice at the bottom.
It's not the first time that we have come to Distillery District. This is literally our third time coming to this Christmas market. Every time we come here, the vibe feels the same. It's very cozy. There are a lot of people here. Some of the installations here are new and some of them are old. So they bring back lots of memories when we were new to Canada. So we kind of know what we like at which place.
Because the vendors are pretty much the same, so we know where we are going to have hot chocolate or poutine. It's the same place where we had the first time because it tastes the best.
La romance qui chante les petits enfants. Oh, vite enfant, vite enfant, vite enfant d'hiver. Vite l'orage, tu vas tout en Afrique, on s'en va faire. Oh, vite enfant, vite enfant, vite enfant d'hiver. Pour de neige, du jour de Noël, bonne année, grand-mère. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
That was something new.
We haven't seen this before. So like we said, every year there's a new edition. So it's not the same.
Let's go and grab some poutine from our favorite vendors.
Cute.
Are you gonna start?
Yeah, we will.
I'm gonna start like this. Look how hot is this.
Oh, Yeah, I can see that. It's because of the gravy. This is really yummy. In case you want to have poutine, you can always come here. There's a cabin which is next to Mill Street Brew Pub and it says poutine on the top. They just sell different kinds of poutine. We got the French Canadian one. It's just fries, gravy and cheese curd.
It tastes different from what we get at other places. I don't know how, but this one is really nice. So you should come here and try this one in particular. I always try to be careful while eating all of this because the container that they give is almost full. Look how yummy this looks. It's super cold right now. All of a sudden, it has become very windy. We are looking for a vendor to have hot chocolate.
There are a lot of vendors who are giving hot chocolate, but we want to have authentic hot chocolate, you know, with marshmallows on the top.
Can we get that here?
Yeah, I'm sure. I think I've seen something in the back, but let's just take a round here and then see where to have hot chocolate because we really need it right now.
Raghav is feeling horrible. I can tell you, he won't tell me, but look at his nose. And I can tell he's feeling very cold right now. The gloves are obviously not working for him. I'm warm, but I think he's feeling a little uncomfortable. Also, we did pass the Christmas tree, but because since it is daylight, we just pretended that we didn't see it because we didn't want to miss the magic of a lit up tree. So we are just exploring and looking for a new vendor to try hot chocolate because someone is very cold.
I'm feeling very cold.
Look at his nose.
My hands are freezing right now and my nose has gone red.
So we are at Santa's mailbox wherein a lot of people send letters to Santa. I wish I had pen and paper. I would have definitely written a letter to Santa. There are cute kids here who are sending across letters to Santa and that's a very cute gesture. People have sent a lot of letters. I really don't know where it goes, but I would have loved to send one to Santa.
And right across the street we have 1664 Blanc Maison de Noël. I don't know what it is and I hope I'm not butchering the name. Let's go inside and see.
Finally, we got some warmth.
Finally, I feel at home.
It's cozy in here and the heaters are working nicely. We have reached this place by fluke. We literally went with the flow of crowd and I'm happy about it because the place that we are at, apparently this hot chocolate is one of the famous New York's favorite and they claim that this is one of the best. They don't have marshmallows in it and I'm going to try it for the first time. What is this?
Hot chocolate.
You have to try this one because honestly, this is not like other milky drinks. This is like you are drinking chocolate. I'm really happy that we came here and I think whenever we go to New York, we have to go to this place.
This is like next level. I've not had hot chocolate like this ever before.
I think I regret taking only one. We wouldn't want to get into the queue, but this is an experience. It's super thick and very rich in taste.
Next level.
Next level. You know what else happened? We are sitting right across the Santa booth wherein Santa is going to come in some time and all the babies are in queue along with their parents and guardians to take the pictures with Santa. And since the time we have been coming to Christmas market, this is going to be the first time I'm going to see Santa this up close. Merry Christmas! And after meeting Santa, we are going to do one of the most touristy thing one can do at a Christmas market.
I think this is the first time we are seeing it here. It's called a memory photo wherein your picture is taken and it comes on a newspaper with a heading on top of it. It's an old camera, so you get to be the front page news headline.
And this is what Raghav wanted to do for a change.
The line is so big. I mean, I can easily see more than 100, 150 people in the line.
Easily.
I think it doesn't take that long. It's hardly a 30 seconds thing. They just click your photo, it comes out and you just move away. You pay what the service deserves. So somebody is paying them $5, somebody paying $20. Totally depends on how many photos you're getting clicked.
We are going to be in the front page of a newspaper.
For the first time and for good.
And it's our turn now. Let's make some headlines in the newspaper.
And that's how we made the headlines.
This is our photo in black and white. Do you want to frame it?
Yeah, we might frame it. And you didn't want to do it in the first place. Do you want to thank me?
Yes, I need to thank him. I loved it. It was a pleasant experience, sir. Now we are going to Yummy Candles. Do we call them Yummy or Yummy? We are going to go and explore the store. I really like it. If you saw my last vlog, I told you guys that I'm going to make a practice that I buy only 1 or 2 ornaments. But here's a spoiler for you guys. Although I love so many ornaments here. I'm just gonna wait for some time to buy my ornament of this year. This is heavy. Should I buy this one?
No, you should wait because you're gonna get better options in some time.
Yeah, I know. I love this candle holder. This is very nice.
We don't need candles, remember? Somebody told me.
You've been told.
Yes. I told him, so he's just reminding me.
Even I loved few things, but I think we'll have to wait.
Spoiler alert! Look at the vibe of this place, and this is the only reason that we come here every year. And the moment that we were waiting for, it's time to see the Christmas tree.
I said, what's on your mind? She said, I am not sure if Christmas dreams come true. Thought about it for a minute. Turned up Tony Bennett. Said, love, I think I know that they do.
As you can see the sign behind me, it's 24 sleeps to Christmas, and I'm looking forward to it. We have taken our fair share of photos of ourselves and also helped a lot of people take their photos. I think this is one of the best things that I've seen here. A lot of people are very friendly and they always help you to take photographs. So yeah, we took that. And before we end this vlog, we just wanted to share the parking slot that we used this time, because honestly, this can be hassle for some people who are coming from far away if you are not taking GO train.
If you're visiting the Winter Village, you can park your car at 40 Rawlings Mills Road. It is a municipal parking. All the best if you find the spot, because there are hardly 15 to 20 spots there.
So you want to come little early. I hope this is helpful for you. For now, we just want to wish you almost happy holidays.
And Merry Christmas.
And we are going to see you in our next vlog. Please do subscribe, like and share this vlog with everyone. It will mean a lot to us, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.